Hello, good morning, children. Dear parents, kindly unmute your mic and help your children speak. Say them back because I cannot hear you. Only when I get the response, I will be able to speak. I get to know that way that you are hearing me. Can you all see me, parents?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Just hold a sec. Let me admit the children who are waiting for this session. Hello, can you all see me, children? Full view of the children.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Just give me a second, children. I'm not able to see only few children. I'm trying to see all the children. The share screen is shared. No. Hello, children. Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Let's begin our session. Okay. I was trying to admit few children there. Okay. Uh, okay. Now, good morning, everyone. Good morning, children. Please unmute your mic and give the reply. Yes, good morning. You remember the last song? Yeah. Do you remember the song which we learned in the last session? Shall we sing it one more time? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. Hello. I'm glad to be with you and you and you and you and you and you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Hello. Are you hearing me? Dear parents, help the children to sing along with me. Okay, and let's begin the session. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. Hello. I'm glad to be with you. Are you not singing with me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
please.
me,
Yeah, please speak.
ma'am. Please mute us for then I clear your voice. We can't clear properly.
You couldn't see properly? You cannot see me?
Yes, we can
Now
see.
can you see me?
Yes,
Hello? Dear parents, can you see me?
yes.
Okay, you want my view in the screen? You asked me to adjust my standing? Hello? The parent who spoke now, can you repeat, ma'am? Hello?
Ma'am, voice turbance is there. Voice turbance.
Okay, few parents, now I want all my parents to mute your mics. A complaint is that like they are hearing disturbances, kindly mute your mics. Let me speak. Is that fine? Yeah? Okay, children. Okay, do you remember in the last class I asked you to bring something to the class? What was that? Anybody? What did I ask you to bring for the session? I brought something. All brought something. What was that? I asked you to bring. Hello. Show me. You have a plant with you? Children, can you please show me the... Yeah, I can see. Wow, Rashid, Inaya, Madhav Krishna. Aimi?
Tomato plant.
Elon? Yeah? Okay. Thank you, children, for bringing that plant to the class. Okay? And you know why ma'am asked you to bring the plant to the class today? Because June 5th is our Environment Day. Okay? The World Environment Day. Now, what is our environment? What is environment? The things around us, okay? The plants, the trees, the rivers, the birds, the animals, okay? Now, I want you to share something with you. With that, let's move to the session, okay?
This one plant. It's one plant.
Children, what do you see on the screen?
Tomato plant.
Just hold on. Just give me a second.
This is my plant.
See here.
Yes, I have plant. Will.
No, not this. See, just hold a second. Thank you. Thanks for waiting, children. Can you see something on the screen now?
Yes.
What do you see? Children, what do you see on the screen? Do you see some plants?
Oh.
Nothing?
See.
Ma'am, can't see anything.
Just hold on.
When school is out.
Now, children, can you see?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Hello, parents, please do answer me. Unmute your mics and speak. Hello. Hello.
can't see anything. We can't see anything.
They can't see anything, it seems. Now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for waiting. Okay, thank you, children. Now, can you see, children? What do you see on the screen? Aimi, sorry. Aimi, can you be seated? Yeah. Inaya, Elon, Ashwin, Ryan, Elon, Madhav Krishna, Aimi, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Let's begin the session. So, what does this, children, you see here? See the planet Earth. What do you see? The planet Earth. Yes? Wow. Do you like it? Do you like our planet Earth? There are other planets like our Earth. They are all in the system. When you go to the bigger classes, when you go to third standard, standard, you're going to learn about this. Okay. Now, there are other planets, ma'am, to show you. Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, Uranus, and Neptune. There are so many other planets, but you know which is a beautiful planet on Earth? This is our beautiful planet, and the name of the planet is the Earth. And yes, Earth, and that's the planet where we all live in. Okay.
Ma'am, sound disturbance
Speciality
is
of this Earth, because
sound can't clear. Sound disturbance.
sound disturbances. Parents, please mute your mics.
School and
Okay. Now, okay, children, now what do you see? See the beautiful planet Earth. We have life here in this Earth. Okay, in this planet we have life. See, there are trees, there are rivers, there is animals, there is birds, there is humans, and this is how God created the Earth, and He gave it to us to take care of it. Okay, and He blessed it with beautiful trees, and it is our duty to take care of this Mother Earth. Do you see this slide? What do you see, children, on the screen now?
Beautiful air.
You see trees? Do you see trees? Yes. And do you see in the next picture the tree, the mother, the tree, the bottom portion? Parents, please show them the roots. Okay, can you see the roots? How they are holding Mother Earth? They when you go out to walk with your mother, when you go out to a new place, don't you hold your mother's hand? When the baby start walking, does the baby hold to the mother's hand? Why? Because the baby knows mother will hold her. Okay, if she's going to fall, the baby knows mother is going to hold the hand. Same way, our trees are always holding hand with Mother Earth, and it takes care of us, it protects us. Now see how beautiful God has made this earth. He had made waterfalls there, He has made nice hills there, and also made big and small trees there. Okay, he made beautiful forests there. Don't they look lovely? See, there is enough shade for animals. Okay, and God thought there need to be more animals in the planet Earth. So He created so many animals and birds. Can you see this picture? What do you see? You see birds, right? See, there is white bird, brown bird, there is yellow bird, there is black bird. And see, children, where do the birds go and stay? You all stay in your houses, right? Your mommy and papa had made a nice, beautiful home for you and a nice house. So you all stay in the house. Do you know where these birds and animals are resting? Yes, in the nights. Where I heard somebody telling yes. Now tell me, where do they stay? The birds make nest. Yes, and they live on trees. Don't they look so lovely? See the birds, they're all enjoying, they're all friends, all the friends are sitting together. Same way, God also made beautiful fishes in the water. And in water also, God put so many creatures there. So, can you see the beautiful fishes there? We have not seen these fishes going under the ocean, but there are beautiful, very beautiful creatures under the water. God also made land animals. We all share this planet Earth. There are bears, there is a tiger, there are elephants, and we also have lions. Do you like lions? Yes or no? Yes. And God also made nice trees with nice tasty fruits in it. Okay, so beautiful tasty fruits, and He made it of different colors and different taste. Okay, can you see apples, berries, oranges, and all these fruits are very tasty. Okay, you want to eat? And you know,
Very tasty.
who gives food for these birds? Does your mother make food in the kitchen and give it to the birds? Yes? Do your mummy make food and give it to these birds every day? No. You know where these birds get their food? They get it from the, Okay, these birds get the fruits. They go to the trees, they fly, and they take all different, they taste all different fruits, and they bring it to the nest and feed their baby. Now we know what the planet was so beautiful, and trees help us to make this planet very, very beautiful. Now, let me tell you one more thing, children. Now, we humans, okay, we humans started using the trees. How do we use it? We chop the trees, okay, and we take their wood, and what do we do?
Please look at the
We make doors. Look at the doors in your house. What material it is used, you know? It is all out of this wood. Okay, the table you're sitting, the table is made out of wood, and your bed, your cot, your tables, your chairs, your cupboards, everything is made out of these. And we also get fruits, vegetables from these plants. Now what happened was, man became very greedy. He started cutting all trees, chopping. Finally he left no trees there. Look at the down picture. Is there any trees? Parents, please point out your finger to the second picture and show your children how it's looking. There is no trees anywhere. The land is looking very dry. There is no more plants, and the land is looking very, very. It is not beautiful to see. Now, what happened? I can hear a father talking. Please, like I can hear other. Kindly mute your mic or stop shouting. I can hear another baby sibling crying. All that makes a hindrance for the class. Kindly mute your mic. All the parents, there is a small screen down. You can see. Mute your mics. Thank you. Okay, now can you see what the humans have done here? We have started cutting all the trees, and slowly the roots are leaving the hands of Mother Earth. And when it is raining, all the soil runs away with the water. Now see, the land has started to fall on. Last year, we saw in the news in Wayanad, there was an accident there, and so many people died because of the landslide. See there on the hilltop. Parents, please point out your fingers to the hilltop and show your children how when the trees are cut down, the land is sliding down. Okay, children, can you see the land is sliding, and it came down and fell onto the buildings, and you see the buildings all came down, and there are no houses. All the houses are falling down because there are no trees. All buildings, all big buildings are there. People are not planting any trees. And see what we have done to the Mother Earth. And when the flood comes, you know what happened? If there are more trees, the earth will drink water, and the land becomes dry. But slowly we started putting tile everywhere. There is no way for the earth water to flow. And see what it has happened. Our cities, our house, the whole land is full of flood. Now what happened? After few days, when there are no trees, after all this water goes, the land becomes dry, very much dry, because there is no trees. See, man has cut all the trees, only grasses are there, and slowly that grass is also going to die, and there is not going to be any plant. And you see, look at this picture. God gave the beautiful earth with so many trees and plants, and we humans have cut and made the earth so dry, and there is nothing on the earth for us to enjoy. Now see, want to see what Mother Earth is doing? Please unmute your mic and ask your children to speak. What happened? What is the earth doing? Children, what do you see on the screen? Guys, Mother Earth is crying. Please save me. All are cutting my trees. Mother Earth is crying. Oh, Mother Earth, it's crying. Stop doing this to me? And see what we are humans doing, still going and chopping, 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 chopping. We are cutting all the trees, okay? And remember one thing, if you're going to hurt Mother Earth is going to cry and hurt us back. How? Because if there is no water, see, look at the ground, how the land is. The land is dry. There is no water. You don't get any fruits. There are no trees. There are no plants. Nothing. The land is completely dry. The land is completely dry. And look at the man crying. That is us. Adu nammala. It is that man is crying. It is like us. We are going to cry and starve in future. No food for us. No rice, no meat, no chapatis. Nothing you can make. No fruits. No vegetables. Okay, so how can children, do you want to save Mother Earth? Speak. Yes. So how are we going to help them? How can we save Mother Earth?
Don't cut the trees.
Tell me, children, how are we going to help Mother Earth? Yes, we are going to plant the trees. Yes, can you see here in the screen? Yes. Okay, let's take the small sapling which you brought in your hands. Okay, you see that? You know these plants have life. They can feel us. They can see us. Okay, but they cannot talk. Today you can all name your little plant. Give a name. I'm going to call my little plant Pinky. Okay, I have named it. And I'm going to celebrate its birthday on every June 5th. I'm going to make it a birthday for this plant. And I'm going to celebrate. I want every one of you to plant the sapling. Okay, every
Excuse
day
me,
I
ma'am.
want you to
Sound
go.
disturbance is loud.
Dear parents,
Please,
kindly mute your
can't
mics. Some
hear
people have
anything.
entered now to
Nothing
the screen
understand.
waiting room. Kindly parents, mute your mics. Thank you. Okay. Now children, I want all of you to keep this plant in this pot for 1 week. I told you all to bring a water bottle. Yes. Now all of you open your water bottle. And see, you have to pour only little water. I can see many children pouring full water. Don't do that. Because when your mommy is giving food, when your stomach is full, what do you say? You have mouth and you say, no, mother, it's full. Madi, it's enough. Don't you say that? But now, the plants cannot speak. So we are going to pour little water to the plant. Okay, pour little water and you keep this plant in the sunlight. Okay, and every day, you know what? You have to go to this plant and speak. You have to talk to this plant. What will you say to the plant? What will you say? You must say, plant, I love you and I will take care of you. I am your friend. And every day you go call the by name. I'm going to call this, hey Pinky, I really love you. You know what? After 1 week, I'm going to put you in my garden and every day I will come and talk to you. Okay, and now what happened? Pinky can hear me, but she cannot talk. You know how she says hi to me? When you go out, you can see the leaves waving their hands. You can see them move, okay? And that's how they say hi. Hi, the plants talk to us in that way, okay? So I want all my children to name this plant. Every day water the plant, and if you make this plant grow and help them grow, what happened? You can see we are going to take care of our Mother Earth, and you want to see how the earth is going to become. Earth is going to smile. Earth is going to become very beautiful. Now you want to see the earth. Children, do you like the screen? Yes. Wow. Don't it look so lovely? See the blue sky, green hills with a lot of trees around, and there is enough water. Know what, children? The trees bring rain to us. They bring rain. Why do we need rain? For drinking water. When the rains come, our wells are filled with water. Rivers have water. Our oceans are filled with clear water. And now our earth becomes very fresh as new. And this is how we all take care of our Mother Earth. So thanks for watching the slide. Okay. Okay. Now, children, can you see Nancy, ma'am? I can see somebody crying. Dev Haran, why are you crying, dear? Don't cry, Dev Haran. Okay, children, can you all see, ma'am? Okay. Okay. Okay, let me tell you, children. I want to hear, I want you all to listen to a small rhyme. Ma'am is singing, okay? Okay. Okay. I want you all to listen to a small rhyme. Okay, listen to that. Okay, and today, Nancy ma'am, by afternoon, I will be sending a WhatsApp small video, and I want you to listen to that song and sing along with me. Okay? Okay. Now let's listen to ma'am singing. Okay. Mother Earth, Mother Earth, Mother Earth, Mother Earth. It's a great place to be. It's a great place to be. Mother Earth, Mother Earth. Planet for you and me. Mother Earth, Mother Earth. Children, can you all see me? Can you all see Nancy ma'am? No?
No, ma'am, we can't see.
Parents, please give me a reply.
No, ma'am, we can't
Here.
see Nancy, ma'am.
Hello.
No, ma'am.
Now can you see me, children?
No,
Hello.
no, we can't see.
Now can you see me?
Yes, no. Yes.
Yes, you can see me now?
Yeah.
Now can you see me, children? See me?
No, ma'am.
Yes? No, nothing. What do you see on the screen now?
Yeah.
You can't pin me. Okay, parents.
Now we can see your video.
You can see me? Hello?
Yeah, yes, now can.
Yes, can you see me? Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, children. So let me sing one more time the song. Please listen to me. Mother Earth, Mother Earth. It's a great place to be. Children, sing with me. Mother Earth, Mother Earth. It's a great place to be. Mother Earth, Mother Earth. Planet for you and me. Look after our Earth with care, because it's a planet we all share. Okay, children, ma'am is going to send this video in WhatsApp to your group. You can learn the words from there. Now our session is going to come for an end, so ma'am has to go to the next session. So what I wanted to tell you is, you know what the uses of these trees? The trees give us shade. They give us shade. And Nancy ma'am's plant, you know, it's not going to give us any fruits, but this is going to give shade to a lot of people. You know, when we all walk out, when we are really tired, you know what happens? We can go and take rest under these trees. And you know, many birds will come and sit under these trees and they make nest. Okay, and I'm going to watch the birds staying in their house very, very safe. Okay, they look so beautiful. The birds coming and sitting there in the nest, and and they look lovely there. Okay, so for that, you know what, every day we have to go to this plant and we have to say hi, talk to them, and plant trees. Tell your mummy and papa not to put tile everywhere around your house. Okay, when we make new houses, what do we do? For car parking, for making our house look very neat, not we go put tile everywhere, and there is no place for any trees and plants. Tell them we have to give some space for the plants and trees. So what happens? You saw the houses falling down now. That's because there are no trees. So slowly, we have to start planting trees. And if you little children take care of us, our Mother Earth is going to stop crying and going to smile back again. You want to make our Mother Earth feel happy, right? So let's do this, and let's end our session. Did you all enjoy my session, children? Please unmute your
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, did you like it? Okay, thanks for watching. See you all in the next session. But children, let me tell you one more thing. I asked you to bring the paper. Yes, I asked you to bring a paper and crayons, right, parents? Since time is coming to an end, I want you to help me. I couldn't share my screen. I have some troubleshoot here. Let me sort it out. So I'm requesting your help. What you can do is help your children draw a tree there, okay, on the paper. Help them to draw a tree and ask them to color it. Okay, ask them to give green color on top and brown at the bottom, so it looks very nice. And show you can keep it ready for class. So when you come to the next class, you can show me. Okay, and thanks for watching. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wave your hands and say bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.